Want to completely remove HandBrake from your computer? Uninstalling HandBrake is straightforward, and you can also remove leftover settings if you want a cleaner removal. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, save any work you're doing and close HandBrake completely. If HandBrake is processing a video, wait for the encode to finish or stop the task before uninstalling the application. Next, open Windows Settings and select Apps, then open Installed Apps. This is where Windows lists the programs currently installed on your computer. Yeah, you can use the search box to quickly find HandBrake. Now find HandBrake in the list, click the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove the application. If Windows asks you to confirm the removal, select Uninstall again and wait for the process to finish. After uninstalling, you can check for leftover HandBrake settings if you want a completely clean removal. These can include custom presets and application preferences stored in your user profile. Take a moment to back up any custom presets you might want to keep before removing configuration files. If you don't plan to use HandBrake again, you can remove the remaining HandBrake configuration files or folders. If you may reinstall it later, keeping a backup is a safer option. Avoid deleting unrelated files from your application data folders. Only remove files that clearly belong to HandBrake. Finally, restart your computer and confirm that HandBrake has been removed. You can also search the Start menu to make sure the application no longer appears. So, if you decide to use HandBrake again later, you can download and install a fresh version from the official source. And that's how to uninstall HandBrake. Close the application, remove it through Windows Installed Apps, check for leftover settings, and restart your computer to confirm the removal. If you're troubleshooting HandBrake, a clean uninstall followed by a fresh installation can sometimes help resolve persistent problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.